Health insurance in Crete, Illinois. When tragedy strikes, there is no telling what the outcome is going to be. Injury, death and disability are all possibilities. What happens when an injury puts you out of work and without the ability to take care of your family? There are so many things to worry about along with the lengthy legal proceeding ahead of you. Money should not be one of them. Injury settlements can be very rewarding, but it takes a lot of upfront cash for attorney's fees as well as being able to support your family while being out of work, topped with the massive amount of medical bills. Injury settlements are honored for pre-settlement funding and can help secure a larger settlement at the end of your legal proceeding. Too many times do people find themselves in the weaker position, which simply encourages them to settle for a lower sum of the money than they would have gotten if they had continued with their settlement. Pre-settlement funding allows an individual who has potential injury settlements in front of them but needs the cash now. This type of funding will be able to provide you with the resources that you need to live off of, pay your bills, and at the same time continue with your legal proceeding all at the same time. Worrying about how you are going to feed your children while you are injured and out of work is something that no one should have to experience. Unfortunately, it happens too often and can compromise not only the amount of your settlement but also your ability to pay your bills and take care of your family while you are out of work. Typically, when a person or company who can large to pay the high attorney's fees will try to lengthen the legal proceedings for as long as possible as to try to see how far you are willing to go without seeing any cash money. Many times the injured will settle for a much smaller amount of money because they need to see that money immediately to pay their medical expenses and take care of their family. Injury settlements are one of the most seen cases that of the plaintiffs settling at a smaller sum because the types of monetary obligations they have are very large. If you currently find yourself in a position that compromises your ability to take care of your family and medical expense while trying to proceed with your legal proceedings, that pre-settlement funding can be right for you. Injury settlements can heap large amounts of money, but in order to get the most out of your legal proceedings, you are going to have to get the cash to continue. Pre-settlement funding will enable you to do all of this and more. Simply, it's your money. You should be able to obtain it when you need it the most.